Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Noir style in the interior design, often referred to as dark or black style, embraces a bold and dramatic aesthetic that exudes sophistication and glamour. Drawing inspiration from film noir, this interior design approach is characterized by its use of rich, deep colors, luxurious textures, and a sense of mystery. The color palette of noir style revolves around dark and moody hues, with black being the dominant color. However, other deep colors such as dark blues, greens, purples, and grays can also be incorporated to add depth and variation. These colors create a sense of intimacy and coziness, making spaces feel luxurious and elegant. Noir style places great emphasis on creating a sense of ambience through lighting. Low, atmospheric lighting, such as dimmable pendant lights, chandeliers, and wall sconces, is often used to create a sultry and captivating atmosphere. Table lamps with dark lampshades can cast soft pools of light, adding to the mysterious allure of the space. Materials and textures play a crucial role in noir-style interiors. Rich, sumptuous fabrics such as velvet, satin, and leather add opulence and tactility to furniture and decor. These textures contrast beautifully with shiny metallic finishes, such as brass or gold, which provide a sense of glamour and luxury. Furniture in noir-style interiors is often elegant and sophisticated, with sleek lines and luxurious upholstery. Statement pieces, such as a tufted velvet sofa or a black leather armchair, can anchor the room and become focal points of the design. Geometric patterns, such as herringbone or chevron, can also be incorporated in rugs or decorative elements to add visual interest. To balance the dark and heavy elements of noir style, reflective surfaces like mirrors and glass can be strategically placed to bounce light and create a sense of spaciousness. Mirrors with ornate frames or antique glass can add a touch of vintage charm to the space. Noir style is also characterized by its attention to detail. Decorative elements, such as crystal chandeliers, gilded picture frames, and intricate moldings, contribute to the overall elegance and sophistication of the interior. Although noir style embraces darkness and drama, it doesn't necessarily mean sacrificing comfort. Plush cushions, soft throws, and strategically placed candles can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, inviting occupants to relax and unwind. In conclusion, noir style in interior design embraces the allure of darkness and mystery to create spaces that are sophisticated, glamorous, and full of character. By using a rich and moody color palette, luxurious textures, and elegant furnishings, this style exudes an air of sophistication and elegance, making it a captivating choice for those seeking to infuse their interior spaces with a touch of drama and allure. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!